So if you are looking for how to animate logo in Adobe Express, then you are at right place. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can animate a logo in Adobe Express. So I'm going with the logo. The size will be 500 by 500 pixels. And now I'm going to just select a random logo here from these templates, and here is a logo with this background. You can change the background or you can delete the background from by selecting right button from your mouse. So now I'm going to add animation. So I have to select this logo, and then you can see when you click here you will see this option animation. So simply click on animation. Here all the style available. So I'm going to use this scale, this one, scale animation. So now if I click here, you can see logo appear like this. So in this way you can add animation on your logo. Now you have to click on download and make sure the file format will be in MP4 file. You can change the video resolution size. So I'm going with 1080p, and now I'm going to click on download. So in this way you can animate logo in Adobe Express. Hope you like this little tutorial. Feel free to subscribe to my channel, and if you have any question, ask me in the comment section. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.